Peace does not disappear on its own. We are the ones who abandon. Calls for peace and human consciousness doesn't vanish. We let it slip away. The world needs more understanding, not more wars. We are the guardians of peace or its destroyers. Hatred is a choice. So is love. Return to peace before it's too late. A conscious world is a peaceful world. When we abandon peace, we invite chaos. Peace begins when we stop blaming and start listening. Wars end, but their wounds remain. Choose peace. Humanity rises when violence ends. Self-awareness and inner reflection. Peace starts within you at peace with yourself. Self-awareness is the first step to global change. Heal your heart and the world will follow. Inner peace reflects outward as harmony. Wake up. Hate is not natural, it's learned. Let's evolve beyond the need for conflict. Consciousness is the cure to cruelty. The true war is inside between love and ego. A mind in balance will not create war. The more you understand yourself, the less you judge others. Unity doesn't mean sameness, it means respect. Tolerance is not weakness, it's wisdom. Diversity is a strength, not a threat. We are one race human. No religion teaches hate. Speak love in a world full of noise. You don't need to agree to coexist. Listen to understand, not to reply. Build bridges, not walls. Your enemy is your ignorance, not the other person. Moments and messages for peace. Handshake is stronger than a bullet. Let children grow up with books, not bombs. Feed hope, not fear. Replace weapons with wisdom. A peaceful world is possible if we want it. The strongest voice is the one that calms. Silence hate by amplifying kindness. Peace isn't passive, it's powerful. A kind word can prevent a war. Plant peace where others plant division. Cries of conscience and a return to reason. The world must awaken before it's too late. Our future depends on what we choose today. We've tried hate, let's try humanity. Stop fighting for land and start caring for life. No ideology is worth more than a life. Don't let history repeat through silence. We lost our way now, let's find it again. A better world won't come by force. Think before you follow hate. Be the voice that says enough. It's never too late to choose peace. Humanity is still alive, keep it burning. One person can be a wave of change. Hope is a weapon against despair. A peaceful heart creates a peaceful world. Compassion is the greatest revolution. Empathy, the language that ends wars. The world heals when people care. Start with one act of kindness, just one.